Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve this very interesting question. If anyone want to solve this question, just pause this video and try to solve this question. Let's start naming some points to the diagram A, B, C and D. In this diagram, we can find three triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle BDC. Now let's consider these triangles separately. Now we are considering the triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, angle at B is 90 degrees. If anyone know why this angle is 90 degrees, pause the video and comment down. If angle at A is alpha, then angle at C is 90 minus alpha. It is because sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Let's mark angle A and angle C in the diagram. Angle A is alpha and angle C is 90 minus alpha. Now consider the triangle ABD. In the diagram itself, angle D is said to be 90 degrees. From our previous assumptions, angle A is alpha. As the sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees, so angle at D is 90 minus alpha. Now consider the second triangle BDC. From the diagram, angle at D is equal to 90 degrees and angle at C is 90 minus alpha. So angle at B will become alpha as sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. From triangle ABD and triangle BDC, what we can say? Triangle ABD and triangle BDC are similar triangles from AAA similarity as all the angles in both the triangles are same angles. So these two triangles are similar. In similar triangles, the ratios of corresponding sides are equal. So AD divided by BD is equals to DB divided by BC. Now in these triangles, we can consider AD as A, BD as B. In both these diagrams, BD is same. So it is also B and DC as C. AD as A and BD as B, which is equals to B over C. If we cross multiply these two things, then it will become B square is equal to AC. This is our first finding from this diagram. Keep it aside. B square is equal to AC. From the diagram, we can say area of the triangle ABD is 8 and area of the triangle BDC is 32. From the triangle ABD, area is half times A times B, which is equals to 8. From the next triangle, half times B times C, which is equals to 32. Now, if we divide both of these two things, half times A times B over half times B times C, which is equals to 8 over 32. Now, if you cancel all the common things in the ratio, then it is A over C is equals to 1 over 4. That is, C is equal to 4 times A. This is our second finding from the diagram. Let's keep it aside. C is equal to 4A. From both our findings, B square is equal to AC and C is equal to 4A. Let's substitute the value of C is equal to 4A in the value of B square is equal to AC. If you are substituting the value of C is equal to 4A in B square is equal to AC, B square is equal to 4 times of A square, right? If you apply square root on both the sides, B is equals to 2A and this is our third finding. Let's write it aside. B is equals to 2A. Consider the triangle ABD one more time. The area of formula for this triangle is half times base times height, which is equals to 8. From our third finding, which is B is equals to 2A, we can write half times 2A times A is equals to 8. So if the 2 in both numerator and denominator cancels together, A square is equal to 8. This is our fourth finding. So A square is equal to 8. But our main objective here is to find area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle is half times pi times r square. From the diagram, we can write radius of the semicircle as AD plus DC divided by 2. From our assumptions, we can write AD as A plus DC as C, right, whole square. Now we have relationship between A and C, which is this one. Now we can substitute C as 4A, right? A plus 4A divided by 2 whole square, which we can write it as half times pi times 5 by 2A whole square, which we can write it as half times pi times 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4 and A square we can leave it as A square. We have one more finding, which is A square is equals to 8. So substitute the A square value in here. It is half times pi times 25 by 4. A square value is 8. Here 2 and 4 multiply together and will give 8, right? So we can cancel all these together. So the final answer is 25 pi. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.